Cranking out the meaning. Understanding, crank out. Hey learners! Today we're diving into an interesting English phrase that you might have come across, crank out. Ever wondered what it means? Well, by the end of this video, you'll not only know its meaning but also how to use it in your conversations. Let's get started. Crank out is a phrasal verb. The word crank on its own refers to a handle or lever that is turned to generate movement or power in machinery. Think of old-fashioned hand-cranked engines or machines. Now, when we add out to crank, the meaning slightly changes. To crank out, something means to produce something quickly and in large quantities, often without much care for quality. It gives the sense of rapid, continuous production. Understanding a phrase is best done with examples. Here are some sentences where crank out is used. 1. The factory cranks out thousands of toys every day. 2. Sarah can crank out essays in no time, but they often have many errors. 3. Our team needs to crank out these designs before the deadline tomorrow. Notice how in each example, the emphasis is on quick and abundant production. Knowing synonyms can help you grasp the essence of a phrase. Here are some synonyms for crank out. Produce rapidly, churn out, pump out, turn out. While all these synonyms convey the idea of producing something quickly, they can have nuanced differences based on context. And that's a wrap on crank out. Remember, it's all about producing something quickly and often in large quantities. Whether you're talking about factories, writing, or any kind of production process, this phrase can come in handy. We hope this video has illuminated the phrase for you. Keep cranking out those English lessons, and you'll be a pro in no time.